What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video where I'm going to teach you how you can sneak out of your house at night. Now, before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's go back to it.
Alright, welcome back, guys. Now when it comes to sneaking out, you gotta make sure you know where all the loud squeaks are in your house. So once you've located them, go ahead and get a paper like this. You're gonna want to mark all those squeaks down. So all you gotta do now is just simply take the paper, make sure you know where the squeaks are, and just place it right down. Good job. Alright, now just like me, you may have a very loud and squeaky staircase. So you're just gonna want to take the paper, turn around, just place it right on the staircase. Now, while I was actually doing this, I got caught by my father, and he questioned why I had these random pieces of paper with the word squeak on the ground, and I just had to respond with this. It was this simple.
Why do you have papers lying over the floor? It's for a science experiment. Don't worry about it. Alright, just making sure.
Now, after you've gotten that out of the way, it is now time for phase 2. Now, this step is quite important, because you gotta make sure you got clothes with you for when you go partying. So go ahead and just take a pair of clothes, put it right on your bed. Then after that, you're going to want to take an Amazon Prime shipping box. Now after you've got the box, just place it right on the ground, then take a pair of clothes, and just put it right inside of the box. Nice and easy, so they're nice and cozy. Now after doing this, make sure it's right in there, nice and tight. Then you're just going to take your foot and just stomp on it. That's going to reappear right outside for you to take later. Now it's time for phase 3. So it's nighttime, and you want to sneak out, but your parents aren't asleep yet. Now there's one easy trick to make sure they're asleep so you can sneak out with ease. And all you gotta do now is just take some sleeping drugs and act like they're just simply vitamins for your father. Now you're just gonna want to take the drugs right out of the canister. So just open the lid, take a pill out, just go ahead and just put it in your pocket for now, because you're gonna be using that for later. Now what you're gonna want to do is play it off like it's vitamins when it's really not vitamins. So take the glass of water and now you're off.
Hey Dad, I got you your vitamin and some water. Here. Oh, thanks, son. Thank you for my vitamins. Yeah, no problem. We have a nice night. Alright. Thank you for that, son.
Alright, now that your father has been heavily sedated, it is now time for phase 4. So, to easily just avoid all the creaks in the staircase, just jump, you're going to phase through the air, you're just going to reappear right at the bottom. But just be prepared, because it might be a rough landing. Now after you made it to the ground, you're going to want to make your way to the garage. Now once you've gotten to the garage door, just jump straight through, you're going to reappear. Put on your shoes, I put on my slides, and then I go over to an open part of my garage. After doing this, all I gotta do is just take off my hat, throw it on the ground, and now I have my bike. So it's top on, simply jump, you're going to reappear outside. Now once you've made your way outside, you're going to want to run over and make sure you get your clothes so you can change before you go to the party. Now after your night of freedom, you're going to want to sneak back in. So go ahead and grab your bike, hop on, and just jump right back in. Now once you've made your way back inside, you're going to want to hop off the bike, take off your shoes, and just try to make your way to your room. But in the case that you get caught, all you gotta do is this.
Dad, why were you out so late? Oh, you see, I was actually outside. I was looking at the stars and, I guess I fell asleep. Alright, fine. You're a good kid. Don't go back to sleep. Alright, like that.
And as you saw, the drugs kicked back in, so you won't have to worry about him. But in the case you don't get caught, just make your way to your room and make sure to wake up early. And there you have it. That is how you sneak out of your house at night.